Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Sticky Keys Windows 11 PC. We will access settings from the Start menu. There, we will go to the Accessibility section. Now open the Option keyboard. At this point, turn off the switch Sticky Keys. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.